All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I got a nice speaker in from Woozik. Sorry, I've actually worked with them in the past, I believe. I think this was a company, but we're gonna go ahead and unbox and test out the Rockit Pro. 3600 milliamp hour battery inside. It's got a mic input, equalizer, SD card slot, USB, up to 6 hours. It says FM radio, aux in, bass, and super clarity. You can hook this to anything. So I cut the seal already just so I can kind of get it open. Oh man, there's a microphone in here. Oh man, they went all in with this one. All right, let's put this over here and let's get it open here. There's some instructions or something down in the box. Oh, this is a cable, aux cable and microphone cable. And get it open here. Crazy. All right, so along the front here, you can see this is the power button. The lights are flashing. Look familiar? It's in Bluetooth mode. You've got pause and play, track. All the controls are on the front. Speaker over here and speaker over here. And then you got, looks like these mid-range or tweeters in the front here. You've got your SD card slot right there, the microphone input, DC right here, bass, you can crank it up like this. Got the mic echo. Let's turn the mic echo down. I'm gonna turn that down. And then, yeah, let's pair it up. Let's get a phone here. I'm gonna go ahead and pair it to it. Let's find it here. I'll show you once it finds it. It's definitely in pairing mode. There it is, Rockit Pro. And it is connected. It is connected. So let's go ahead and find some music that I could play. Woo, man. This thing hits. That's having the bass all the way up pretty much. Let's put the bass kind of at about 50%. Give it some volume. Wow. Nice little handle. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Bass at about 65%, 70%. We're going to pause this and we're going to plug up the mic. I didn't know it actually came with a mic in the box. That's a pretty nice setup that they actually give you the microphone. You can get your DJ on. Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Test, test. All right. Oh, gotta turn it on, John. There we go. Test, test, test. Test, 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 test. Yeah. All right. DJ J Will in the house. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Let's get it. DJ J Will in the house. What's going on to all my YouTube fans? Followers, subscribers, you already know how it goes down. This is called Turn Up or Burn Up. Free YouTube track. Google it. Let's take it down. Let's take it down a little bit. I'll take it down just a little bit. Take it down just a little bit, a little bit. Mic echo is in here. Yeah. I'm having too much fun with this. This is a pretty nice setup. Anyway, man, I just wanted to test out this Woozik. Man, the Rockit Pro is fully loaded with everything. This would be nice for a wedding or whatever you want to do, a family reunion. Actually, I already have a setup like this, but it's much bigger. It's my LG setup, and wow, it didn't come with a mic. But this I had to get a mic separately. But this comes with a mic and everything. Input, pause and play, right from the device. If like say you're across the room, you DJ and you're talking or whatever, and then you let's get back to the party. There it is. There it is. Oh, there we go. There we go. Come on. Woozik fans. Music fan. I'm having too much fun. It's your man, Jay. I'll see y'all in the next video. Take care. Let's take it out on the song. Yeah. Come on. Where are my praises at? Where my praises at? Who like to get their praise on? Come on. Yeah.